Welcome to Auto Paradise. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to Honda's latest marvel in the adventure motorcycle segment, the 2025 Honda NX500. This mid-sized adventure bike is designed to offer an exceptional balance of performance, agility, and style, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. At the heart of the NX500 lies a 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This DOHC twin-cylinder powerplant delivers smooth and usable power across the rev range, ensuring an energetic and high-revving character. Riders will appreciate the impressive acceleration, especially in the 3,000 to 7,000 revolutions per minute range, providing ample low to mid-range power and torque for various riding scenarios. The NX500's design emphasizes both functionality and aesthetics. Its rugged ADV styling is complemented by an upright seating position, allowing for freedom of movement and enhanced comfort during long rides. The bike features a tall windscreen, designed to offer excellent protection from the elements while enhancing its adventure-ready appearance. Handling and ride quality are paramount in the NX500's design. The motorcycle is equipped with a 41mm inverted Showa separate function fork, big piston SFFBP front end, which enhances rigidity and offers a generous 5.9 inches of travel. This setup not only improves off-road capabilities but also provides more precise on-road steering input and feel. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The NX500 comes standard with an anti-lock braking system (ABS), ensuring confident braking performance across various conditions. Additionally, Honda's Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) manages rear-wheel traction, offering peace of mind during diverse riding scenarios. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, HSTC can be turned off completely. The NX500's adventure-ready features don't stop there. The bike boasts long travel suspension, standard ABS, and an upright ADV styling that meets the confidence of its liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. It's built to handle any adventure you throw at it without breaking a sweat. In terms of comfort, the NX500's adjustable windscreen offers superior wind protection, and sturdy passenger handholds provide security for your passenger or tie-down points for smaller cargo items. The step seat gives you an open, unrestricted riding position that's perfect for both touring and commuting, and still offers room for a passenger. The seat's narrow width makes it easier to put your feet down at stoplights or in parking lots. In summary, the 2025 Honda NX500 is a versatile and well-rounded adventure motorcycle that caters to a wide range of riders. Its combination of a responsive engine, thoughtful design, and advanced features makes it a compelling choice for those seeking both daily commuting convenience and weekend adventure thrills. Stay tuned to Auto Paradise for more in-depth reviews and ride impressions of this exciting new model.